Let's go, folks. This is Disney Dale. That's right, DD, Disney Dale. I'm your Disneyland expertise. I know everything and anything that goes on in this park. Nothing gets past me. Here in Disneyland, California. Today, we're going to be doing a little bit of an adventure for y'all, all right? All right, folks, we're here in Disneyland again. So everyone knows that Disney is very popular for their pickles that they sell here in the park. Word on the street is the classic pickle is not the only kind of pickle that they sell. That's right, folks. There is a spicy pickle. Not a regular pickle, a spicy pickle that is only sold in Adventureland. That's right, only Adventureland. So, what are we gonna do? We are gonna go over to Adventureland. We're gonna try the spicy pickle. And then we're gonna compare it to a regular pickle and see which one is actually better. Let's go, folks. We're gonna head over to Adventureland. That is the only place that you can find the spicy pickle. I like spicy food. I like putting hot sauce on just about anything. Put a little tapatio on any kind of meal, and it's good to go. That's not a sponsorship. That's not a sponsorship for tapatio. I just like tapatio. 70-minute wait for Indiana Jones. I think that's as long as one of the movies. You could literally watch an entire Indiana Jones movie while waiting in line for the Indiana Jones ride. So here we are. We're at South Sea Traders, the only place in Disneyland you can get the spicy pickle. All right, here we go, folks. Let's give it a shot. I wonder where it could be. Let's check it out. All right, here we go. The spicy pickle. Alright, it's kind of got a little spice to it. It's actually not that spicy. Maybe that's just because I'm used to spicy food. Honestly, it's really not that spicy at all. Okay, so now we're going to try the regular pickle. Non-spicy. Okay, this one's a lot sweeter. It's got a nice sweet taste to it. You don't feel that kick. You got like a sweet tooth out of it, you know? Still pretty good. Still pretty good. I don't actually know which one I like better. So you got the spicy, and you got the regular. Honestly, but I have to go with the spicy. It's more like a dessert pickle, really. I like the spicy because I feel like when I'm eating a pickle, I like to feel like more of a savory kind of feeling. You know what I mean? So after discussing this further with my colleague, kind of agreed that the two completely different experiences. One, if you want more of like a sweeter, more refreshing thing, then you go for the regular one. The spicy is like a fun experience for you. Also, it's something that probably not a lot of people have tried. It's a good thing to experience new things in life, you know? We have tried the regular pickle and the spicy pickle. Word on the street is that there is a third pickle located in downtown Disney, and this is apparently a mega pickle. It's got a hot dog inside of it. It's like a corn dog inside of a pickle, inside of a hot dog with peanut butter sauce. This thing is crazy. So what are we gonna do? We're gonna find this third pickle, and we're gonna see if that is the top dog or the top pickle. Yeah. Okay, I've just exited the park. Now I'm heading to the downtown Disney corn dog, hot dog, pickle station. Apparently it's a little bit of a doozy. A little bit of a doozy. There it is, folks, the blue ribbon corn dog. Okay, so just as everyone's aware, this is a panko crusted corn dog wrapped in a pickle served with a side of peanut butter. Okay, folks, here it is. This insane pickle dog. Let's give it a shot. Ow! It's hot. I gotta wait. It's hot. We're gonna try this again. It's hot. I haven't even gotten to the pickle yet. I just got the cornmeal. My dip it in the peanut butter. Honestly, folks, that is an insane pickle experience. I don't think there's anything else like this on earth. Wow. All right, folks, so we tried 3 different pickles today. We tried the regular classic one. We tried this spicy pickle, and then we tried the crusted pickle dog. All 3 completely different experiences. I'm not gonna lie. So, for instance, if you like something a little sweeter, maybe you go with the classic pickle. If you like something a little bit more savory, but like not super intense, then probably go with the spicy pickle. But if you're really looking for a genuine pickle experience, I gotta say, you gotta go with the pickle dog. That thing is crazy. I think I was gonna have heartburn just looking at that pickle dog. That thing was crazy intense. Crazy. But folks, do not let me be the judge of this, all right? You gotta try these pickles for yourselves. Which one do you recommend? Would you go with the original? Would you go with the spicy? Or would you go with the pickle dog? Only one way to find out. Leave your opinion in the comment section below. All right, folks, that's gonna be it for today. This has been Disney expert Disney Dale with Inside the Magic California. Be sure to like and subscribe for any and all things Inside the Magic. I'll see you next time, folks.